Hello, students. This is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about the future forms. We are going to learn how to talk about the future. So in today's class, we're going to study the future forms. Let's start comparing will and going to. Will and going to are future. Form, I will. I will pay. Negative, I will not. Or the contracted form, I won't. The contracted form is more practical for everyday English. And the question form, will you? Will I, will you, will he, she, it, etc., etc. There is no difference in the pronouns. I, you, he, she. No difference. The will is used for predictions. Things you think will happen in the future. I'm not sure. I think. I think he will win the election. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. I think he'll be a good doctor. That's also a prediction. But for predictions, we can also use going to for predictions. I'm not sure. You can use will and going to, no problem. I think he's going to win the election. I think he's going to win the election. Verb to be, going to. Or in everyday English, he's gonna. I think he's gonna win the election. I think he's gonna be a good teacher. But gonna only for spoken English. We don't use this for written communication. That's too informal. So will and going to for predictions, there is no problem. We can use both. No problem. Well, for instant decisions, I decided right now. Will. Excuse me, I'll go to the bathroom. Will. Excuse me, I'll answer the phone. Will. I decided right now. We don't have milk. I'll buy some for you. I decided right now. And for planned actions, going to. I'm going to have a drink after work. That's my plan. We're going to get married soon. That's a plan. I'm going on vacation. Decisions, plans. Let's compare. Sarah said she needs to talk to you. I didn't know. I'll call her in a minute. Decision is made right now. Sentence 2. I'm going to call her in a minute. Oh, yes, I know. I know she wants to talk to me. I'll call her in a minute. The decision was made before. So for planned actions, we use going to. And for this instant decisions, we use will. Another observation about the future forms is the use of shall. Shall is used when we offer, when we ask people's opinions. Shall we go to the cinema? I'm asking your opinion. Shall we go? Shall I make some coffee? I'm asking your opinion. Would you like? So, shall is used when we ask people's opinions. Shall I, shall you, shall we? There's no difference in the pronoun. And there's no difference in the pronoun with will and going to. I will, he will, she will, etc., etc. I'm going to, you're going to, he's going to, etc., etc. So there's no difference. And remember, for everyday communication, you can simply say gonna. So thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next lessons. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.